Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, do you wanna come see me? Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my LoRyders? It is still Wednesday. It's 10 p.m. Wednesday, the 2nd of August. And let me tell y'all, I have not been motivated to do anything. Started thinking about my father, got a little bit emotional, a whole lot emotional, and just... So now I am drying the hair that I colored for a wig that was supposed to be made yesterday or the day before yesterday, because my client is coming tomorrow in the morning at 10, so I have no choice but to do the wig tonight, or I could just dry it and then get up at like 6 o'clock and make the wig, which it'll take no time to make it, and I might just do that. Y'all pray for me, because this ain't getting easier. It is not getting easier. And with that being said, good night. Okay, y'all, got her done. Didn't do no baby hairs or nothing. But got her done. My customer likes it thin. She don't like it thick, because every time I make it thick run-ins, it's too thick, it's too thick. So, gave her what she wanted. Not my flavor. The wig is put together nice. She has just the amount of hair she wanted. And it is now 1:25. I started her at like 11 o'clock. And I was talking on the phone and I stopped and started. But yeah, she is done.
Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, do you wanna come see me? Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, do you wanna come see me? Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, guarantee that you wanna come see me.